road where it's a renowned motorbike car road that we go on. The weather's still pretty awful. We've had hail and all sorts of rain and storm, so we can't really like push that hard because of the wet roads. So yeah, it's great to meet everyone on the Lotus run and talk to everyone, but the weather's just a little bit against us at the moment. But it's still a great weekend away, and something you can't control is the weather, so you just need to adapt to those sorts of things.
Nannup Road is a B road that winds through some pastoral lands and some native forests in the southwest of Western Australia. It has some really lovely turns and continues to wind and curve through the countryside, giving you some spectacular views and a great driving experience. Next stop was Nannup, where we stopped and took a few snaps of the vehicles and reminisced over our drive on the Balingup Nannup Road. One of the drivers did have a small off, but after inspection everything was okay, so I was back in our cars for the next segment of the drive. As we headed south, the weather deteriorated. The skies became much more darker and the windscreen wipers were on a lot more often. As you can see here, the water on the road was consistent and some of the rain pours were really quite heavy. Finally we arrive at the Great Southern Forest, which is home to the Karri tree. The Karri tree is a tree that was used in the building industry, but that now has been stopped due to protest. The trees grow extremely high, and there is actually a tree called the Gloucester tree, which is the highest lookout tree in the world and can be climbed, which is near Pemberton. But we're heading for the Karri Valley Resort, and it's not too far away. Finally arrive at the Karri Valley Resort Reception Centre, which is actually separate from the chalets and the lake. But you have to pick up your keys and get your number for your room right here. So we all had to stop in and we all had to get all our keys organised, which took some time, and then head on down to our chalets, which our number corresponded with. It's a home sweet home for us and all the Lotuses. Well, here we have a couple of ducks trying to cross the road, and one of them's decided better not try that one, but the other one still keeps going and then decides to fly the last little bit, and the second one then takes off and flies the last little bit. But anyway, Karri Valley Resort is situated on a man-made lake, and the chalets make up two types. One that are on the escarpment in the actual forest, and the other ones are on a docking that's situated on the edge of the lake, which is where most of us will be staying.